bitch. The Bahiti.
Structural integrity is ruined of that wood.
You're fucking ruined, man.
Go put a paper gasket in.
Yeah. Put a paper gasket around your mouth.
What are you building?
I'm building a strut brace. So I'm getting strut tower reinforcement at the same time as I'm getting, I guess, a welded in permanent strut brace. Fancy stuff. BMWs are fancy.
Yeah. They're still gay though.
I'm just a hammering and just a fucking attacking and
Just missing all the welding shots.
I'm banging and a fucking bonging. Thanks, Owen. Let me wreck another car. Bump, bump. Bump, bump. Bump, bump. Bump, bump. Oh yeah. Hey Christopher, push down on this as hard as you can.
This is Daniel.
I got it.
Yeah. Still fight like shit. Whoop. Buddy, I missed the fucking gear. Buddy.
That's a gob.
That's a gob if I ever seen one. The gears are turning. Not anymore.
Sponsor us. What did you do?
Lit the car on fire.
How did you do it?
Oh, the battery decided to say fuck you. Oh, fuck. This is for the homies, man. Oh, Coors Light never went fucking.
Look at that shine, that premium core shine.
Wipe that extinguisher shit off, and then we'll fucking shotgun another beer, and I'll keep walling.
Get back at it. Look, you can't even tell. Nice. Go.
Oh. Take two.
Take two.
Fuck! That's the initiation. That's right.
Finally, fuck, 10 years some odd later.
Pass me some beers. They only got 3 hours left.
Tony. Got it.
You're like, is he retarded? No.
Oh, we gotta pull her down.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, sticker on.
Yeah, we're good.
Wait, what you want?
There you go.
Yep.
Hold on. Right there. Push it up and in. Yeah, right there. There we go, guys. You know what's funny, Tony? Pan over to the tranny jack right there. Pretty quick pan.
Nice.
Oh yeah. That's about middle. Everybody loves drilling up.
Installing Silver Maxes.
Just kidding. She's gonna be fucking beat, boys. You just wait.
Give me the yeet, boys. Free my soul.
Oh,
This isn't a very attractive camera angle.
Oh. Oh yeah, papa. Oh yeah, papa. Oh yeah, papa. Oh,
Nope.
oh, that's how you nick it, right?
Whoop.
Nah.
Yeah, Tony, get this side, cause I'm already fucking done. Where's my beer?
And go.
FuckMikeG.com.
A fuckmikeg.com production.
He is my main sponsor. I would like to thank fuckmikeg.com.godaddy sites.
Perfect.
Check it out.
For every $20 donated, you get a free fucking shirt.
And other
This
news.
could happen. I mean, it's all moved right now, but this could happen.